Mainsaver makes it easy to manage purchase orders and requests for equipment, parts, and contractors. You can track quotes, costs, hours, and parts consumption. You can quickly retrieve vendor information and performance data, associate vendors with inventories, assets, and work orders, and report on vendor costs and outcomes. Purchase orders provide a way to plan for incoming materials and services before receiving them. They can be generated from requisitions and quotes, but you can also create them directly in the Purchase Orders module. To create a new purchase order, start by selecting the New button in the toolbar. This will take you to the Purchase Order New page. Select the supplier to receive from and the status for the purchase order. Enter a title that identifies the purchase order. If you would like to send a notification to the supplier's general email, check the Email Supplier box. Next, select the Save button. After saving, you can freely navigate between the tabs. You can optionally use the Documents tab to upload important files such as terms and conditions. However, you will primarily use the Line Items tab to add items to the purchase order. Select the Add button to add a new item. Enter the quantity to order, the price per unit, and a description. Also, select whether to classify the item as a good or service, and select the unit of measure to order it in. Next, select the Save and Add New button to save the item and immediately begin adding another one. You can add parts from stock as items by selecting a stock number. All relevant data from the selected part will automatically carry over to the item. Enter the quantity of the part to order. Select the Save and Close button to finish adding items.